How to turn off Facebook ad campaign. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So what you may do is you can just go over and look for Facebook Ads Manager. Just go ahead and type in Facebook Ad Manager, hit search, and you'll be finding this particular link. You may just open it up, this one right here, which is Made for Business. After you open it up, you may look out for this option called Go to Ads Manager and open it up. And you will be taken to another particular link. And here, what you need to do next is you need to look out for your campaign. So look out for the left-hand side of your screen and look out for the campaign option from the given menu and open it up. And there you'll be finding all of the campaigns available. Right now, I do not have any, but you just need to find the campaign right here and you'll be finding a check mark option and a on and off option with the toggle option. So you just need to use those options in order to turn it off. So you should easily find that your campaigns like this available with the toggle option on and off. What you need to do is you may just head over and look out for the toggle option and turn it off, or you may select it and look out for this edit option right here and drop it down. After you drop it down, you'll be finding option to turn it off. So you may just go ahead and find this option right here and click on turn off. And that way it will basically turn off your campaign. You may also use this toggle option right here, as I said, in order to turn it on and off, and that should help you out. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up these methods in order to do so. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.